could take any existing app and instantly generate new features that perfectly match its design. In this video, I'll show you how Claude Design can reverse engineer a full design system from a GitHub repo and use it to build a new UI in minutes. Let's get into it. Alright, so we're going to build this with Horizon UI, which is an awesome open source admin template built on Chakra. But here's the catch. To pull this into Claude Design, Claude needs permission to read the repo. But since we don't own the repo, we have a quick workaround. So step 1, just head up to the top right corner and click on fork. We're going to create a copy of the entire code base into our own personal GitHub account. Once that's done, we have full access and we're ready to go. Now let's head back over to claude.ai/design. Right here on the main dashboard, we're going to click on the button that says Set Up Design System. It's going to ask us for some basic info. For the company name and blurb, I'm just going to keep it super simple and call this Horizon UI Demo. Now for the magic. Down here where it says link code on GitHub, we're going to paste in the URL of the repo we just forked. We'll click on add, and then we need to click this black connect GitHub button so that Anthropic can actually read our files. Go ahead and click on authorize Claude Design import. On the next screen, you can give it access to everything, but I'm just going to click only select repos, search for my new Horizon fork and select it, and then hit install and authorize. Now we are officially connected. You can see the repo is linked right there. And in the any other notes section, we need to give Opus the vibe. I'm just going to give it some strict rules to adhere to the Chakra UI color palette. And with that, our system is ready to build. Now we just click continue to generation. It tells us it's going to take about 5 minutes to build everything out. So you can step away, grab a coffee, and just leave the tab open. But while it's loading, look at what is actually happening on the left-hand side. This is so cool. It's exploring the exact structure of the Chakra repo, reading the theme files, and extracting all the colors and typography definitions. Okay, we are back, and our draft is ready. It's built out a complete UI kit, including the main dashboard, the NFT marketplace, and sign-in screens. But before we can use it, we have to approve what it pulled in. We have a bunch of elements here that need review. The buttons, the fonts, the spacings, the shadows, even the specific dashboard components. And just like that, our design system is officially ready and published. Alright, now for the fun part. Let's put this to the test. Back on the main dashboard, I'm going to create a new prototype and name it AI Agent Command Center. Right below that, in the design system dropdown, we're going to select our brand new Horizon UI design system. Make sure high fidelity is selected and then hit create. This brings us to a blank canvas. Now instead of spending hours coding the Chakra components by hand, I'm just going to give Claude a quick prompt. I'm going to say, build an AI agent command center using our Horizon UI design system. I need a left sidebar, 4 stat cards for agents, tasks, tokens, and speed, and a main data table tracking each bot's name, task, progress, and a colored status badge. Now hit send. Look at it go. You can see on the left hand side pulling the exact CSS, the icon sets, and the layout structures straight from the Horizon template we fed it earlier. Now look at this. We have a complete gorgeous dashboard. It perfectly followed our instructions. We've got the left sidebar, the 4 sleek stat cards up top complete with trend lines, and this amazing data table tracking all of our AI agents with their specific tasks, progress bars, and colored status badges. This is a production ready UI in seconds. But check out how easy it is to edit. Let's say I want a different vibe. Down here in the tweaks panel, we have a quick access to global variables like the accent color. If I just click on the green option, instantly the entire UI updates. If we want to see this in all its glory, we can just head back up to the top right, click present, and switch this over to full screen mode. Now look at this, it feels like a real live SaaS product. It didn't just give us a static image, it's built out the actual UI structure. It generated all of that from the context of our one prompt. But what if we want to get into the weeds and make some actual manual changes? Well, it's incredibly easy. Just click on the edit button right at the top. Instantly we get access to the page properties. Look how fast I can click the background color, drag the slider around, and completely change the entire feel of the dashboard. And it doesn't stop at the background. While you're in the edit mode, you can select literally any element on the page and update its specific configuration. If I click on our main command center title right here, the side panel updates and I can instantly change the font, adjust the size, change the text color, or mess with the padding. Okay, let's fix up the search bar at the top right. The current placeholder text is a bit too long and it's getting cut off. So I'll just click it, go over to the content box on the right, and change the placeholder text to simply say search. Done. It's been updated perfectly. Now, if you don't want to make edits manually, you can have Claude do it. All you have to do is click on the comment tool at the top, select an element like this promo box down in the corner, and just describe the issue or suggestion. You just tell Claude what you want changed, hit send, and it updates the code for you. Now, once you're happy with the dashboard, you're probably wondering how to use this with your team. You can click the share button in the top right hand side and easily copy a link that lets your teammates jump in and leave comments. You can even duplicate the entire project as a reusable template for your organization. But the absolute best part is right next to it under export. Look at these options. We can download the whole project as a zip file, export it as a PDF or PowerPoint, send it straight to Canva, or grab the HTML. But the real game changer is clicking Handoff to Claude Code. With one click, it packages up all of this design work and sends it right to your local coding environment so you can instantly start wiring up the back end. And it perfectly ties the entire Anthropic ecosystem together. We just went from an open source GitHub repo to a fully customized interactive AI agent command center in just a matter of minutes. The ability to hand Claude your code and just talk your way into a production ready UI is going to save us hundreds of hours of front end work. If you got value out of this video or learned something new today, please smash that like button. It helps the channel out a ton. And if you want to stay on the absolute cutting edge of AI agents, automations, and tools like Claude Design, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Let me know down in the comments what kind of dashboard you're going to build first. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.